Good day to you and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe during these difficult times. I know how hard the pandemic has hit the world, so if you're watching this video, you deserve a thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to be introducing myself the best way I can. I'm going to be telling you everything about this channel, like what you should expect from this channel, why I started the channel in the first place, and many more contents. This is an introductory video, so let's jump right into it. My name is Onoriode. I'm a software developer and an entrepreneur. I started my software development career back in early 2019, which currently dates back to about a year and a half ago, as at the time of me recording this video right now. I've been an entrepreneur for the longest time, basically for as long as I can remember. I currently own an online business while working on my job as a front-end developer at a technological company in the southeastern region of Nigeria. It's a great job and I really love it. Who is this channel for? Is it really for you? Well, just stick around till the end and find out. I started this channel for a few different reasons. First of all, I think of this as my very own unique way of giving back to the world, since I'm going to be teaching you lads on everything I know about software development and entrepreneurship. Second of which is, as a personal hobby, I really love teaching and sharing my knowledge with others, so I chose this medium to do so. So what's my goal with this channel? My goal with this channel is simple. It solves two massive problems or gaps which I've seen in the tech and the entrepreneurship space, which are helping ambitious individuals around the world discover new tips and lessons on entrepreneurship or wealth creation, and helping software developers learn more about programming technologies and tips on furthering their careers. Welcome once again to this channel. In this channel, I'm going to be bringing you an exclusive mix of both software development and entrepreneurship. So what kind of content should you expect? Thank you for asking. You can expect content on programming technologies like your tips, lessons and tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, React Native, and many more, even career tips. Also expect content on business and entrepreneurship like your e-commerce, your drop shippings, and many others. So don't worry, I've got you covered. Hey, if you're an ambitious software developer, entrepreneur, or would really just love to learn about money, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button. This channel is for you. If you're an entrepreneur, a software developer, or would really just love to learn about money, then what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash the subscribe button. This channel is for you. Oh man, I get asked this question a lot. How is this channel different from the rest? Well, I guess you have to tune in and watch my videos to find out, right? I'm so excited to get started and I hope you are too. Make sure to check out my next video coming out real soon. I know you guys are gonna love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button if you did enjoy this video. Comment your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. And smash that subscribe button so you never miss any of my new uploads. With that being said, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.